This is the LL950X6000 heavy-duty CNC lathe from L&L Machinery. This machine has a truly revolutionary structural design and a range of specialized features which specifically target the demands of heavy industry. The machine we're looking at here is the 6,000mm model, but L&L provides this model in lengths from 4 to 8,000mm. The LL950 is specifically designed to provide the benefits of both flat and slant bed lathes through its revolutionary 5-bed design. This addresses the issue which clients face when machining very long, large workpieces, requiring steady rests. To make sure that long workpieces are securely supported along their length, steady rests with heavy-duty needle roller bearings and hydraulic steady rests with auto adjustment and high concentricity can be supplied according to each customer's requirements. The LL950 uses the very best FANUC controllers, which provide a user-friendly graphical interface and powerful built-in PMC. The special design separates the turret structure from the tailstock and steady rests. This means that the machining turret can pass along the full length of the workpiece without interference. This is a huge time-saving function and also increases the accuracy of the completed machining, as the workpiece does not need to be rechucked and reversed for back machining. With a machine this long, the rigidity of the structure is very important indeed. The base on the LL950 is very heavily ribbed and features combination oversized box and V-ways for the tailstock and steady rests. The separate turret carriage runs on its own 2 extra-large Z-axis boxways for superbly smooth movement, and the turret is securely traversed along the huge fixed ball screw by a rotating nut and incorporates sliding linear supports for the best possible rigidity and precision of movement. With a maximum cutting diameter of 950mm, this machine requires very secure workpiece support. The LL950 headstock is heavily ribbed and supports the spindle with high-precision taper roller bearings. The machine can be supplied in either a single or double chuck configuration with either high-power hydraulic or larger-sized pneumatic chucks available as customer-selected options. This LL950X6000 from L&L Machinery is a next-generation design for heavy industry. With its zero-interference carriage, superb precision and stability provided by the 5-bed design, and multiple configuration options, this is a machine which has to be seriously considered for heavy-duty machining operations.